Hey guys, good evening, morning, and afternoon to all, wherever you're at. So today, we are gonna focus on this little garden bed. So if you guys do remember, this is gonna be the garden bed that had the tomato and also had the pumpkin. Well, unfortunately, they both died. So what we are going to do today is we are going to tear them out and get ready for spring. Let's get started. It is pretty warm here today, so let's get this done. Holy mackerel. Okay. Before I throw this off to the side, let me show you this. So this was our tomato. Now, disregard that. This is the root system. Look at this. This thing is massive. Look at that. Thank you. And it runs super deep. And there are still more roots in the ground. Now, with more roots being in the ground, exactly like with the rosemary from last week that we pulled out, I am just going to turn this. I'm going to weed this, put more soil in, and then we're gonna let those roots decompose. So let's get this started. So, as you can see, we have crabgrass in here. Oh, and also the cat's got it into this one. Yay! Great to know. We have a lot of cats in this neighborhood. Oh, you can close these doors. Okay. So what I'm trying to do here is what I'm trying to do is disrupt as much of the root system from the crabgrass as I can. Just because this stuff can spread so quickly. So the way that this spreads is with rhizomes. So just like with mint, spearmint, peppermint, the mint family in general, these Bermuda grass, crabgrass, scotch grass will spread the same way. It has rhizomes that will spread beneath the soil and pop up out of nowhere. And then it will also have runners that go on top and plant those nodes. But this is what one of them looks like. Do you see how annoying this thing is? How annoying. So, let's do our best to get this out. I also have to pick up the kitty stuff in here because the stray cats like to use my garden beds as litter boxes. We don't like that, so let's get this cleaned up. far as I know, it's just the one piece, though there might be more. I think that's it. Okay. Let's get the rest of this loosened up. We're going to take as much of this out as we can. Come on. Then what I'm going to do, smooth it out. And then that way we can just get out some of this junk. Now for this bed, I have 2 cubic feet of soil. Okay, tear this guy open, quick and easy. Dump them in. And then we're going to use the boat rake. We're just going to smooth them out. Now, I'm not doing more than 2 cubic feet right now, just because I need to save some soil for the bigger garden bed next week. So, okay. New soil is in. And now it's good to go. So, I want to hear what you guys think I should plant in this garden bed. Kind of curious. I don't really have any ideas of what I want to do yet. So, I'm going to do some brainstorming. We'll figure that out. If you guys have any ideas, go ahead and put them in the comments down below. I will make sure I read. Let me move it up. There you go. I'll make sure that I read every comment so that we can sort of figure out what is to be planted here. Huh. That wasn't a lot of work, but with the sun, it makes it feel like it was. I will see you guys next week. Have a good day. Hi, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys wanted to see our featured video, it's going to be here. If you guys want to subscribe, it's going to be on this side. If you guys would like to support the channel and what we do, there's going to be a link in the description for our Patreon, where you can get loads of extra content. As always, have fun and keep on gardening.